Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. As toll prices go up at midnight and gas prices are at an all-time high, transport operators continue to lament the need for a fare increase. Now, we spoke to a few bus operators who use the toll daily from Mandeville to Kingston. Now, they say with the increase, the journey is simply not worth it.
The toll is too dear. If I do two solid round trip at $4,000 for a small bus. If a coaster man for do it, about $7,000 for a coaster man. So that can't work out and the gas oil is out of reach.
Tony is a minibus operator plying the Mandeville to Kingston route, a trip costing $450 per passenger. So assuming he's making one round trip at the 15-seat capacity, he'd earn $13,500. But with gas prices up, and the cost for a full tank of petrol more than $7,000, which barely does a trip and a half, he says breaking even is impossible.
Honestly, believe you me, right now somebody can't drive no Imaga. Imaga body, nothing there. After you have to do everything, you have to pay park fee, you have to pay people who help load the vehicle fee, because you need them people amongst you. You understand, you pay the owner. You know work out. Big man, you know work out. We are suffer.
Effective midnight, the new toll rates will take effect. For the Spanish Town leg, Class 1, 2, and 3 vehicles will move to $210, $320, and $590 respectively. The Portmore toll rates will move to $290, $470, and $870. Users of the Vineyards Toll Plaza will pay $550, $810, and $1,510 respectively. Over on the Maypen leg of Highway 2000, the new rates are $150, $250, and $500 for Class 1, 2, and 3 vehicles. But as those operators continue to feel the pinch, they're hoping for a concession.
The toll need to be discounted for drivers, because you can imagine every day you're applying the road, and every trip you make, you're spending more and more and more. So what do you get for yourself? Basically nothing, because every time you go on the toll, two-way, it costs you almost $5,000.
Opposition spokesman on transport Michael Phillips last week said he wrote to Minister of Transport Robert Montague requesting a revision of the proposed rates. We also sought a response from the minister on the issue, as well as the discussions on granting operators an increase, but no response was forthcoming. Now, still on transportation, Jamaica has added more airlift capacity out of Kingston. Jet Air Caribbean began weekly direct flights between Jamaica and Curaçao yesterday. The service will operate on Thursdays. The route offers new linkage opportunities between Jamaica and the Leeward Antilles. Now on to currency. The US dollar ended the day selling for $150.45. The Canadian dollar now costs $122.65. The pound is going for $209.24, while the euro closed at $180.99. The JSE index declined by 2,388 points, while the junior market index declined by 0.21 points. Among the winners were Kingston Properties, G West Corporation, Grace Kennedy, Maybury Jamaican Equities, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. Among the losers were MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, 1834 Investments, T-Tech, and Guardian Holdings. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.